Hello, mic check. Bukas na ba to? Ang tagal ko na kasing hindi nagva-vlog. Pero ito, subukan nating bumalik. Simulan natin kung saan ko kayo iniwan bago ako umakyat ng daraitan. Alam ko nangako ako. Gagawin ko ang lahat ay sama lang kayo sa mga paglalakbay na gagawin ko. Pero natalo ko ng kahinaan ko. Hindi ko nagawa ang pinangako ko. Ang totoo, gaya ng nakikita ninyo, natambakan na rin ako ng trabaho. Na siyang nagdamot sa akin ng gustong gawin ng puso ko. Ngunit di ko na kayang matagalan pa. Handa kong iwan ang lahat para sagutin nitong tawag na siyang gumugulo sa aking isipan. Ngunit magpapasaya ng aking kalooban. Pero syempre biro lang. Di ko pwedeng iwang nakatiwangwang tong trabahong aking pinagkukunan.
Ito lalayuan ko ha. Ito paano ito boy?
Kaya ang first mission, matapos ang trabaho, bago ang kinabukasan. Dahil...
punta ko muna sa sila. Good morning. It's, I think, it's 6 a.m. Sana abutan ko siya. Parang 5 minutes walk pa siya mula dito. Good morning, boss.
Tama ang desisyon kong habulin ng oras na to. It is a little bit cloudy, but the experience is unforgettable. It really helped me jump into the moment. With the beautiful sunrise in my heart, together with my newly found family. Nandito raw yung mga kamag-anak ko. Monkey Island. We started exploring each wonders of the 100 islands. We had a little fun running around in this sandy island, which I gotta say, na-miss ko na rin pala talaga ang paglalaro sa buhanginan. Pero hindi kami pwede magtagal dahil marami pang mga islang dapat naming puntahan. And besides, nakahanap na ata ng sideline tong kasama ko. Truly I can say is an island has its own beauty to offer. Natural or man-made, dapat makita mong kagandahan ng isang bagay. You learn to appreciate more even the tight moments, like literally.
Merong underwater cave. Si Kuya Eric yung nag-a-assist sa amin.
Tingnan mo. Nakatayo ka dyan. Lagay na yan. Nakatayo siya dyan.
We were told na mayroong underwater cave pero delikadong puntahan. At dahil doon, kailangan namin yung mapuntahan. It is tight, full of water, dark, and gloomy. But when you entered, the true magic will reveal itself. 100 Islands is truly a magical place and still a lot to offer. And we knew that, hindi lang mismong yung mga islands. Far beyond that, beyond the vast ocean. And that's what we came for. Stunning. Seeing the life beneath prospering with life is truly a remarkable sight. It makes me feel new, remains untouched. I wish it remains that way. Let them grow for the future, for they can help us come alive. Bago ko nga pala makalimutan, yung 2 months na nawala ako, I am kinda traveling, just not uploading. You see,
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I believe in second chances. But life has only one.
Hey, what's up mga Juanders? Sana na-enjoy nyo itong bagong format ng vlogs natin. Kung vlog pa nga ba to. Ipaalam nyo sa akin kung nagugustuhan nyo yung bagong format na to or hindi. Comment down below, hit the like button. Naggaganto na rin ako ngayon. I hope you enjoy this moment. I hope you enjoy this new format na ginawa ko para sa inyo. Sana nakabawi ako dito sa mga pinaggagawa namin na to sa 100 Islands. And please, make sure to visit the 100 Islands. It is so magical. Always live the moment. Every single moment. For that is... Ayoko na.